Hey guys, this is the day one shoot of Long Night in Pexington. Technically we've already shot 3 different videos. One of them is already released, I'll put the link above, and 2 more currently in editing. But let's have a little sneak peek of some of the behind the scenes videos. So this is day one. The first thing I'm going to do today is go see Matt, the director. We're going to go through the last minute shot listing for the rest of the film, and then later on at 6 o'clock at night we're starting to shoot the first day of the film. I actually forgot to mention one thing. I was meant to go pick up some props from Stephen. Grabbed him some headphones in a bag, which is used for bug. Now we're off to go shoot the first scene, and I'm excited.
So Johnny, what's this?
This is my fake rig to make the mob sirens.
Yep.
Practically it is 2 Yongnuo LED lights.
Yep.
And we've rigged it up with a Maffalini clamp and a spigot, because
Yep.
I couldn't find my other Maffalini clamp. And the idea is that we spin it around and it makes a police siren. I call this the cheap man's police siren. That's it for now, but please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be having a lot more content coming out soon. And please follow Long Night in Pexington Facebook page. Take care and keep shooting.